Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I've got the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp November 2020 card kit. And ooh, I got a grape sucker, yay. Okay, let's take out our inspiration sheet. This one is called Big Thanks Autumn, and you get lots of wonderful inspiration sheets. Sorry about my phone, I forgot to silence it again. Okay, let's continue on. It'll beep here in a second, but it's okay. Alright, so we'll start with the stamp set called Big Thanks Autumn. It is a big, nice big 4x6 stamp set. So, lots of great sentiments in there, lots of great images. You get this big one across the bottom, and then two single flowers, the bird, this leaf, this set of leaves. Of course, the big thanks, and they got, in this season of thanks, I am most thankful for you, so much for thinking of me. So you go, thanks so much for thinking of me. I am so thankful for you, especially during these times like these. Just a note to say thanks. Just had to say thanks. Happy Thanksgiving. That would be kind of funny to do different sizes like that. Will never be enough. Sending you lots of, for everything you've done for me. Support, friendship, kindness. I'm thankful for you. Smile, love, hugs. Great. I love it. I can't wait to start on that. Okay, so next we have 12 double-sided sheets of P13, the 4 seasons. There's that second time. Autumn 6x6 paper. Oh, and here's your coupon code. This one is good through November 20th. Cozy CZY 444. Okay, here is the paper pad. Oh, I can already tell I'm going to like this. Oh, I love these colors. Love these colors. So pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Oh, I really like that. This is so pretty. I love this. Love these watercolor look sheets. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there is like a faint writing in there. So cool. Okay. So I think that's where it started over. Beautiful. I've never heard of P3 like that. Okay. Let's set that aside. Alright, next is we got 3 new Simon Says Stamp 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 Cozy Vibes transfer sheets. Okay. So these transfer sheets, they are, let me get some scissors to open this. Yeah. They are printed on acetate with toner, so you can foil them, and you could make like a full card size shaker front, and that would make some really cool shaker cards. So you got Happy Thanksgiving. Here, let me find, oh, here's a good way to show you. Okay, Happy Thanksgiving. So very thankful. Oops. Here we go. Sending cozy vibes. Oh, phone is going crazy. Okay, so you got the 3 transfer sheets, and so you get 1 pack of Simon Says Stamp Autumn Sequin mix. So you got little bitty tiny things in there. You get all different sizes. So just kind of a bronzy, coppery kind of fun autumn look. I'm going to get to the, okay, 1 Simon Says Stamp custom foil sheet transfer pack. So you got 5 6x6 sheets. I believe they're all different. So you got this copper, it's like all the different shades of gold, copper, like that blushy one, and then they threw in that teal, which is really pretty. Okay, so that is your transfer sheets. And of course you can do this with, if you have a laminator, just with the heat and over the toner print. Okay, put that back in there later. That stuff is finicky. Okay, now let's go back to what I skipped over. One Simon Says stamp gratitude sentiment sheet strip. Oh, okay, that's this. And these are basically just cut aparts. You've got Happy Thanksgiving, choose to be grateful, gratitude turns what we have into enough. I can't talk today. Thank you. I am thankful for you. Give thanks to the Lord. Let our lives be full of thanks and giving. Thankful, bless the family beside us and the love between us. Thanks, give thanks. Happy Thanksgiving. So grateful for you. Let's see. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. Okay, I think it just repeats. Okay. There's that. And then what do we have next? 3 Simon Says stamp A2 blue note cards. Oh, in Audrey Blue. Okay, so these are Simon's pre-scored note cards in their 100-pound paper. And this is, like I said, Audrey Blue. And you get 3 of these. So they're pre-scored in the middle. 3 note cards. Okay, and then next we have a package of the Darice foam strips. Oh, I got these in a Simon Says kit. I don't know, it's probably been about a year ago, and I love these things, and I use them sparingly because they're sometimes hard to find. So these are awesome for doing the outside edge of little bits like this. You can run that underneath that edge and you won't be able to see it for doing shaker or find words that you're going to put pop up. Those are awesome. I love those. Okay, 3 Simon Says stamp envelopes in burnt orange, white, and metallic bronze. Ooh, mine didn't get to be metallic. That's a bummer. I love their metallic bronze. It's so pretty. But I got a brown. Okay, that's fine. Alright, then you get sheets of cardstock in burnt orange, dark chocolate, and a piece of Nina Desert Storm in the 80-pound version. Okay, so that is it for the kit contents of the Simon Says Stamp November 2020 card kit called Big Thanks Autumn. So, like I did last month, this is kind of, the unboxing is part 1, and then we will do a part 2 with some kind of more simple cards, and then we'll do a part 3 with, you know, a more detailed type card. So I will be back soon with more. Thank you for watching. Bye.